Shooting Target 7, Climb to Glory, Tower Challenge. And we got it at 50 yards. We're shooting some dead center 29.63, I think they are, at about 880, which is perfect. Let's see how she does. All right. Okay, here we go.
As Rick's shooting here, make note of how crisp and cleanly those paddles snap over. You'll also see there's no shaking or vibration going on. That's what those paddle toggles do, and they work perfectly.
Yeah, you thought I was going to miss that last one, didn't you, Mark? Woo! Come on, man.